Hi guys, welcome to True Vlogs. Now we are repairing the patient monitor. The, pi- the failure is hang hang up display. Now we are disassembling the power board and the LCD board. This one is the main board for the patient monitor. Here we'll connect the LCD to the front panel LCD display. This one here is the power bank. Now we are confirming that the failure is in the LCD board side front panel. The first thing we do is we swap the front panel, and now we're confirming that the driver board of the LCD is the effective one. Effective board. Sorry here. Now because we don't have a part, this is the part. Sorry. So it's the effective one.
Di mo talaga siya doon connection dako na. Ito nga ko to na ako.
That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.